Why is Robbie on the bed again?
Robbie's not on the bed.
She's not?
No.
Well then, what is this, the invisible dog?
No.
No what?
She wanted to join me in bed.
But she's not supposed to be in bed.
But she wanted to get into the bed.
That's why my voice is like it is, why I can't talk. Because the dog's always in the bed.
No. She wanted to be in the bed.
Stop.
Okay. Well, I guess I'm fine with it. It's okay. Bye. Alright, why is this dog on the couch?
She's not on the couch.
Where is she? She's not on the couch. Looks like she's on the couch. Maybe not. Guess I'm blind, crippled, and crazy.
She wanted to sit on the couch.
Alright, fine, whatever.
Want a carrot?
So now what are you doing? Are you feeding
Robbie
her
wanted a carrot.
Jesus Christ. The dog's always eating carrots.
She loves carrots.
Way too much. Look at her. Jumping and chewing.
She's a good girl. She loves those carrots.
Way too much.
Why don't you like her?
Just don't like her. Don't know what to say to you. Go back. What?
No.
So you like Sir Robbie now?
Maybe.